Welcome to Brain Challenge, where we have the opportunity to challenge your brain, to stretch it, to pull it. My knuckles are cracking.
I heard that.
My knuckles are cracking.
Are you arthritic, Mars?
Mars? I have the beginning stages of arthritis-ness.
It's okay. I can't speak and you can't use your hands.
Okay, so this is how it works. We are going to give you a sentence in English, and we want you to translate it into Chinese and say it out loud. So the first sentence is, Hello, may I ask, what is your last name? Hello, may I ask, what is your last name?
Do it in the more respectful way.
Yes. 您好，请问您贵姓? Excellent.
Very good. Now, let's try that really quickly with a less respectful way. Good. You'd say, 你好，请问你贵姓? Very, very good. Now, the next one we want you to say is, Hello, may I ask, what's your name? But you don't have to do it with a crooked, cheesy smile. Hello, may I ask, what's your name? How would you say that?
你好，请问你叫什么名字?
Very good. 你好，请问你叫什么名字?
Good job, guys.
Good job. 你叫什么名字呢? Now the next new word here is N-E, neutral tone. So it's not
Neutral.
It's not n, it's n, right? Don't sing it, just say it. Now n is a question particle that you use kind of to throw a question back at somebody. So for example, if somebody says 你叫什么名字? Okay, what's your name? And then you answer, and you want to ask them, and you? You could say, 你叫什么名字呢? Or just, 你呢? That's how you use 呢. Pretty simple. Let's practice saying that. Practice saying 呢 with us 2 times. 呢.
呢
Now, do you remember what n means? It's a question particle that's used to hand a question back to someone. Repeat that after us. N.
呢
So if you heard the phrase 你呢? 你呢? What do you think that would mean? It would mean, and you? Repeat that after us. 你呢?
你呢
你叫什么名字呢?
我姓陈，叫陈爱丽。
And these lemons are coming in great. Look at these things, man. Oh, hey, how's it going? I was just watering Mark's lemon tree here. Now would be a good time to tell you a little something about Chinese grammar, which will hopefully make you feel a little better about choosing Chinese as a language, because the tones, let's face it, they're kind of hard. The good thing about Chinese grammar is that once you had the tones down, the grammar is simple. Just like in English, for the most part, it's subject, verb, object. Now, we've already taught you my name is Bob, right? Or whatever your name happens to be. 我叫 Bob. Literally, subject, verb, object, right? Very, very simple. I'm a teacher, same kind of a thing. 我是老师. Don't worry about those words, you'll learn those later on. But just know that in general, it's subject, verb, object, so it's really, really easy, and it doesn't take a lot of effort, a lot of extra thought. So just focus on that, focus on the tones more than anything, and you'll be good to go.